Compliance with HMRC along with avoidance of penalties stems from an accurate and timely submission of your tax return. Personal tax experts provide significant advantages which surpass self-preparation of tax returns for some individuals. People who have employment contracts with multiple sources can minimize both money loss and nervousness when they work with tax experts to optimize their finances. This guide will discuss the 5 main advantages that arise from working with the personal tax professional when preparing tax returns. 1. Working with the personal tax professional provides guaranteed precision as well as full adherence to HMRC tax guidelines. Proper tax return filing maintains essential importance to prevent both inaccurate submissions and tax underpayment or overpayment errors. The evolving nature of UK tax regulations coupled with their complicatedness makes it simple to miss return, affecting alterations that could appear in updates. How a tax professional helps. The knowledge of a personal tax professional enables correct declaration of all taxable income together with expenses and valid tax deductions. Correct tax returns rely on personal tax professionals who maintain current knowledge of HMRC guideline requirements. Both of them thoroughly review all data entries to eliminate mistakes that would either prompt HMRC investigation or result in financial penalties. Example: employing a tax professional in Southall for self-employment purposes will help you properly report business expenses to prevent both errors and claims you should have filed for tax deductions. 2. Your tax situation becomes more efficient through their help in claiming available deductions. Tax professionals have an exceptional skill to identify every deductible expense and tax relief, which reduces the amount you owe the government. A large number of taxpayers fail to notice legitimate deductions that would decrease their tax amount. How a tax professional helps. Tax professionals will guide you through all your allowable deductions by showcasing both travel expenses and office supply and professional fee expenditure. Your tax expert has knowledge about different methods to minimize your tax bill, which includes boosting your pension plan alongside applying for appropriate tax deductions. Tax professionals enable individuals to experience benefits from tax reliefs, including marriage allowance and child benefit, together with gift aid claims. Example: a property owner in Hayes can reduce their tax obligation through professional help that allows qualifying expense deductions for property maintenance expenses and property management expenses and mortgage interest. 3. The taxation process becomes quicker while also lowering your stress levels. The act of preparing tax declarations requires collecting financial documentation while performing expense assessments and document completion, yet these steps can take many hours to finish and cause mental pressure most acutely among people with complicated financial matters. How a tax professional helps. A tax professional performs full tax handling duties, beginning with document organization and ending by sending tax returns to HMRC. The management of HMRC guidelines along with tax software tasks is eliminated when you seek professional assistance. The practice of using expert tax professionals gives you the comfort of focusing on essential tasks because they manage your tax matters. Example: a tax professional gives freelancers in Southall the advantage of managing their clients' needs without manual work, since they ensure documentation remains precise and meets deadlines. 4. The use of tax professionals decreases both the possibility of penalties and the need for audits. Failure to submit taxes by deadline and filing inaccuracies will result in additional costs such as penalties from HMRC to which you become subject. Your personal tax professional both verifies the accuracy of your return documents and sends them on time, thus reducing the need for administrative penalties. How a tax professional helps. Personal tax professionals establish a system which enables them to meet filing deadlines to prevent penalties from occurring. Appropriate tax reporting practices lower the possibility of HMRC conducting an audit investigation. Your tax professional will assist you by interacting with HMRC regarding your tax return while acting as your representation, which eases the communication process. Example: a professional tax practitioner will navigate the audit process for you in case you submit incorrect income declarations, and the HMRC selects you for their random checks until you avoid any additional complications. 5. This practice offers tax advice along with financial consultancy services. Tax professionals perform return filing besides providing useful financial and tax minimization guidelines which generate lasting benefits for their clients. How a tax professional helps. According to experienced practitioners, they develop custom tax approaches which help minimize future payment obligations to tax authorities. Tax professionals give their clients advice regarding investments by recommending ISAs and pensions as tax-efficient options. Such professionals help clients organize their major financial decisions, including real estate purchases and business enlargement, through tax-efficient strategies. Example: small business owners in Hayes seeking expansion should work with a tax professional who will assess their VAT registration needs as well as expense structure and business incorporation benefits. Bonus benefits of hiring a personal tax professional. When you hire a tax professional, you will get several additional advantages above the 5 main benefits. Tax professionals offer assistance to handle difficult tax declaration tasks, which include foreign earnings and multiple property investments and substantial business assets. Personal tax professionals assist businesses to use Making Tax Digital (MTD) compatible software while maintaining compliance with MTD rules. Through their expertise in tax relief claims, a tax professional helps eligible applicants properly file research and development (R&D) tax credits. How to choose the right tax professional. The selection process for personal tax professionals in Southall should follow these criteria. When hiring a personal tax professional, it's important to choose someone qualified and accredited by a recognized body, such as an licensed accountant or a member of the Chartered Institute of Taxation, CIOT, or the Association of Taxation Technicians, ATT. Search for advisors who specifically specialize in dealing with HMRC inquiries as well as audits and appeals. Choosing a tax professional based in Southall or Hayes ensures you receive personalized service from someone familiar with local tax regulations and the business landscape. Conclusion: the process of hiring a personal tax professional provides numerous advantages that combine accuracy assurance with compliance, maintenance, and tax efficiency optimization and time management. People with self-employment income along with property owners along with multiple income streams can benefit from having a tax expert who helps protect their finances while minimizing taxes and reducing stress. Whether you're in Southall, Hayes, or anywhere in the UK, Centralise Accounting Limited is your trusted partner for tax returns. Our expert team ensures a smooth tax filing process, maximizing your benefits while staying fully compliant with HMRC regulations. You can reach out to Centralise Accounting right away at 0203 813 9087 or contact them through website https://www.centraliseaccounting.co.uk to receive specialized tax services.